If you're looking to speed up your ghostwriting projects with AI, you've come to the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to leverage AI to cut down your writing time, increase productivity, and produce high-quality content faster than ever before. Now, you've probably heard of AI tools being used for writing, but what you might not know is just how much they can help you streamline the entire process. Imagine having a tool that helps you brainstorm, create outlines, and even draft entire sections of your project automatically. That's exactly what AI can do for you in a ghostwriting project, and I'm going to walk you through how to make it happen. Let's start with the first step, brainstorming and topic generation. Instead of staring at a blank page for hours, our software can help generate a list of content ideas in just a few seconds. Simply feed it a few keywords or the general concept of your project, and the software will spit out multiple topic ideas, saving you valuable time. This allows you to focus on what matters most, creating the actual content. Once you've selected a topic, it's time to move on to outlining. This is where AI truly shines. Rather than manually outlining every section, you can use AI to generate a detailed structure based on your chosen topic. It can break down your ghostwriting project into sections, suggest headings, and even recommend subtopics that you might not have thought about, all while keeping your original vision in mind. Now let's talk about drafting. With AI, you can create drafts faster than ever. You won't need to start from scratch every time. Just input the key points you want to cover, and our software can generate content for you that fits your style and tone. The best part, you can ask it to revise or rephrase anything until it aligns perfectly with your voice. It's like having a personal assistant to do the heavy lifting. Of course, editing is a crucial part of the ghostwriting process, and AI can help here too. Once you have a draft, use the software's editing tools to spot grammar errors, suggest improvements, and even reword sentences for better flow. AI can help you make your writing clearer, more engaging, and professional. Throughout all of this, what's key to remember is that AI is a tool, your assistant, not a replacement for your creativity and expertise. AI can handle the repetitive and time-consuming parts of ghostwriting, leaving you more time for the creative aspects, like adding personal touches and fine-tuning the final product. Before we wrap up, I want to give you something exclusive. If you want to follow along with the software I'm using today, I've partnered with the developers to offer you a free trial. This trial is available only to viewers of my channel, so make sure to check out the link in the description below. To recap, first, use AI to generate content ideas and topics quickly. Then, streamline your outline creation and draft generation. Finally, use AI for editing and revision to fine-tune your work. By incorporating AI into your ghostwriting process, you'll cut down on the time you spend writing, while increasing your productivity and maintaining high-quality work. Key takeaway: AI is here to make your ghostwriting projects faster and more efficient. By automating the repetitive tasks, you get to focus on the creative side, making your project smoother and more enjoyable. Don't forget to check out the free trial in the description to get started today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.